Okay, today we're going to learn about our popping sound. Okay, this is kind of like our B sound, but it's a little different. Okay, so here's our popping sound. Remember, like popcorn? Pop, 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 pop. How this one is different is our voice is turned off for this one. So if we put our hand on our neck, we say pop, pop, pop. It's our whispered bouncing sound. We say pop, 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 pop. And we make it with our lips, and our lips go pop, 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 pop. Good job. Okay, you ready to read our book about our P sound? Okay, we are going to read The Pig's Picnic. Let's see what happens. You ready? Okay. Penny, Polly, and Peter Pig were planning a picnic. What shall we pack in our picnic basket? Asked Penny. Peter looked in the pantry. Let's pack some peaches, said Peter. A peachy idea, said Polly. Are they ripe? Asked Penny. Perhaps we should taste them first, said Polly. And they did. Perfect, said Penny. Okay, let's practice our popping sound. Ready? Pop, 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 pop. Good job. Let's pick pickles, said Peter. Perhaps we should taste the pickles too, said Polly. And they did. Picklelicious, said Peter. Okay, let's say our P sound 5 times. Pop, pop, pop. You're eating lots of yummy things in this book. Peter made some peanut butter and potato chip sandwiches. Would you like to taste them? Peter asked Penny and Polly. Yes, please, said Penny and Polly. And they did. Perhaps we should pack some pasta salad, said Polly. And pears and plums, said Penny. And pumpkin pie, said Peter. Of course, Penny, Polly, and Peter. Of course, Penny, Polly, and Peter tasted everything first. Let's hear our P sound. Pop, pop, pop. Before long, the pantry was empty, but so was the picnic basket. Penny, Polly, and Peter were puzzled. This is peculiar, said Peter. I guess we'll have to put off our picnic, said Polly. We could order pizza instead, asked Penny. And they did. Pizza! Let's hear a P sound 3 times. Ready? Pop, pop, pop. Okay, you ready? We're going to do another find. How many things can you find that begin with the letter P? So I see some pizza and popcorn and a picnic basket and a picture and a puzzle. Ooh, and a pineapple. Oh, do you see anything else with the P sound? Oh, a pig. There's 3 pigs. And a plate. Oh, and I see the color pink. Lots of things in our P. In our P picture. Okay, you ready? Here's our P cheer. Ready? P is for pig, pickles, and pot. P is for pizza, gooey and hot. P is for pancakes piled up high. P is for puppy, popcorn, and pie. Hooray for P, big and small, the peachiest, peppiest letter of all. The end. Okay, so remember, let's do our P sound one more time. Ready? Let's say it 5 times. Pa, 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 pa. Nice job. I'll see you guys next time.